Hi, welcome to the Zapara School of Business at La Sierra University. If you've been considering coming to a business school and haven't checked out the ZSB yet, you're doing it wrong. But don't worry, I can help you out with that. My name is Brody, and I'll be walking you through a little bit of the ZSB today. I've been a student here for 2 years, and I've had a great time. Up here on the second floor is where a lot of the classrooms are. Here's the first classroom, and what I really like here at the ZSB is that the professors don't just lecture to you, they talk to you directly as well. It's really personal, and it's a great time. Coming here to the second classroom. Another great thing here about this Zapara School of Business is that each classroom is a little bit different. Each one's tailored to different majors, and as you guys know, in business, a lot of it is community work, and so you can move these tables together and just have a great time with the community. And then coming over here, this is some other classrooms. As you can see, these classrooms are a little bit smaller, but honestly, I prefer that. What I've noticed is that even though this is a smaller school, honestly, it's better for business just because, as you guys know, in the larger schools, they are bigger, so it's harder to get to know the professors. And here at the ZSB, all the professors know your name, and they're all ready to help you out on your business journey. And here's my friend Janelle to tell you guys a little bit more about that and take you in the ZSB.
Thanks, Brody. All right, so I'm currently standing in the gallery area where a lot of the students come to study or even to hang out with friends in between classes. Down this hallway here, we have the graduate classrooms, and each of the classrooms are different from each other, and it's really great because it promotes an environment for collaboration and teamwork. And here we have Professor Zhang. Can you tell me a little bit about what's your favorite part about ZSB?
Hi, I'm Yuju Zhang, and I teach economics and a few other classes for graduate students. The most special things I find in ZSB is we really committed to student success, both for academically and personally. And those connections and really beyond the classroom. So we're really committed to create this community for everyone who wants to join this family.
Awesome, thank you so much. And over here we have Professor Kang. Can you tell me what your favorite part of ZSB is?
Hi, my name is Kyunggu Kang. I'm teaching finance here. I'm teaching how to make money and how not to waste your money. The being professor in La Sierra is like being Pokemon. So you can find us everywhere and you can catch us everywhere. And once you catch us, then we'll be the best friend and lifelong supporter for you.
Thank you so much. Like Professor Kang was stating, it is very easy to reach and to find all of our faculty and staff members, including your professors. And it's really nice for professors to have an open door policy, and it's very easy to find them within their office hours, which it can come in clutch, especially when you need something last minute. And here I'm gonna hand you back off to Brody, and he's gonna be taking you the rest of the way.
What's up, guys? Good to see you again. As you can see here, this is the art piece. Here at the ZSB, we really like to involve the community as well. And so each one of these spoons is actually an art piece that we created as a community together in the ZSB. Each spoon, each cardboard cutout represents one kid in the Riverside area who is going hungry, and this is just a great visual representation of that. And we all came together, and that's what the ZSB does. We all come together to help out. And now being on the second floor, this is where a lot of the study rooms are, and where if you're gonna do tutoring, this is where they're gonna meet as well. And honestly, I really like this floor. I come to these study rooms a lot. Whenever I do come in here, it is pretty packed too. So it's a great time. We all come together to learn. And yeah, as you can see, a lot of different chairs, a lot of room, and it's a good time. Let me take you into another one. This is also normally packed, but you always can find a seat too. And yeah, this is just a great place to study and to learn. And here's Professor Robert telling you guys a little bit more about that.
Thanks, Mr. Brody.
Of course.
Let me continue this journey here. Here at the Zapara School of Business, our students don't just study business, they do business. From internships to consulting projects and real clients, we engage the world in a real, practical, entrepreneurial way. Hands-on approach, we're fostering tomorrow's leaders. We have spaces that prepare students for engagement with the real world, like interviews. And we help bring students from what is in their head and what is their passion to a point where they can engage it in a practical approach. We like to bring students those leadership skills so that they can take whatever their passions are and they can apply it in a way that will actually influence and change tomorrow's world. With micromanufacturing and AI integration, we're preparing students to engage in a way that no other school does.
Thanks so much, Dr. Kurtz.
You're welcome.
All right. My name is Loveland Razouk. I'm Director of Operations here at the Zapara School of Business. And this is Lexi Langford, our wonderful academic advisor, your academic advisor. We're here going into the Chosh Conference Center. As you can see, we're kind of under construction, but not really. We're just getting ready for another event. Each Tuesday, we host what we call Business Colloquium. It's an opportunity for our students to gather together, learn about what's happening in the marketplace, work on their professional development skills, and hopefully connect with some of our alums that are our guest speakers here. Another thing that we enjoy having in this space are presentations. Yes, business majors, get ready. You're going to give a presentation on this stage with a full slide deck and everything. It's going to be wonderful. And we enjoy food, fellowship, and fun. So every quarter, we host a party in this space. Either it's going to be a networking party, it's going to be a football watch party, or something that our first year students will put together. We're so excited about this academic school year. Lexi and I also co-teach the first year seminar.
Yes, we're super excited to see you in the fall or anytime you want to come join us. I'm the academic advisor here, as Loveland mentioned, and whether you're into marketing, management, finance, accounting, or more, we'll help you figure it out and go for it with all the support you need. Like she said, we love to have a lot of fun in here, and now we're moving out into our atrium where we also hold a lot of networking events. I'm going to pass you along to our graduate team, and they're going to tell you all about their program.
Thank you. If you're ready for your MBA, we're here for you. Our goal isn't just to give you a degree, it's to help you develop as a person through creativity, leadership development, and hands-on skills that you can apply at work every day. And just as important, we want to help you develop your professional network that will support you not just during your program, but throughout your entire career.
Whether you're a traditional student or a working professional, we have a program that will help take your career to the next level. With concentrations in business analytics, healthcare management, HR management, business analytics, marketing, finance, and sports management, we know that you will help fulfill your passion.
Thank you very much, guys. So now we made it to the dean's door, and what's great about the ZSB is that we have an open door policy when it comes to the dean. With a lot of bigger schools, it's hard to get access to the dean, but here at the ZSB, it's wide open, and it's great to talk to the dean. So here we have Dean Thomas, and then the associate dean. Here we go. Oh, is there anything you'd like to say to the incoming students?
Sure. Listen, welcome to the Zapara School of Business. We're looking forward to seeing you on campus, and we want to make you a better you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good to see you,
All right,
Brody.
and then Associate Dean, is there anything you'd like to say?
Hey Brody, great to see you, and great to see all of you who are watching this video. You're coming through that open door because we believe in community here, and opening the door means making you welcome and at home. That's how you grow, that's how you get stimulated, that's how you get challenged, that's how you get to become a better you.
Absolutely. Thank you very much, guys. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day. And then coming over here, we're at Loveland's office, the Director of Operations here at the ZSB.
All right, we look forward to seeing you soon. Take care.
Thank you, Loveland. She's always here to help. And then over here is the Student Dean's office. This is more for like Dean's team, people that put the event on, actually work there. I'm part of the Dean's team, and it's a great opportunity to learn about the business, behind the scenes of the Zapara School of Business. And yeah, it's a great time. Definitely learn a lot, and that's where we'll be. And then coming over here to the student kitchen, this is where everyone always likes to grab a snack during classes and everything. So what are you guys having today?
I have a tea.
I have coffee. I have hot chocolate. I also have tea.
Awesome, thank you guys. Yeah, we always have snacks here available for you. And this is the tour coming to an end. I've had a great time talking to you, and I hope you guys learned a lot about the ZSB. All right, see you guys soon. Bye.